Welcome to this episode of Jenny's Journey. Today I will be doing a room tour of the Embassy Suites in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So this room is a 2-bedroom suite. Let's see, I'll start over here. Comes with a nice table with a couple chairs. There's a couch and it pulls up to a bed. Here's some beautiful views of the city, a little bit at least. I think that's the other part of the hotel. And here's a little mini kitchen. I'll come back around to that later. Oh, and here's the bedroom. I think it's a king-size bed. So here's the bedroom. And it's really nice. On each side of the bed, there are tables with plugs. There's little USB ports and switch and then power button. So that was handy. Oh, I gotta show you this. Little lights and headboard. This is awesome. So I'd use that at night when I had to get up in the middle of the night, which was nice to be able to do. The bed was really comfortable. I slept very well in it, very supportive. Here are views from the bedroom. They're not as nice as from the front room, but that's okay. Not far of a walk to go look. They do get more of a view of the bridge over there. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. There's drawers. The drawers are nice. Here, plenty of outlets. The other side table with a phone, and this is really awesome. It's the first time I've seen this. QR code, so you can get information about the hotel. I'll show you the closet. Oh, look at this. Full-size mirror. Love it. Okay, here's the closet with the safe. There's a luggage rack, hangers, ironing board and iron, the laundry bag, plenty of hangers. There's the bedding for the pull-out bed. Okay, let's go check out the bathroom next. Here's the bathroom. It's actually a really nice updated bathroom. So here's the shower. Nice shower. Plenty of space. And the sink. Oh, I love the lights around the mirrors. It's nice. Plenty of room for towels. And then we can come to this other door. So you can close that door for the bedroom, the 2 doors, and have some privacy. And the person or whoever's out here can come in this way. Oh, use both doors. And then here's the little mini kitchen. This was nice. It was nice to have 2 sinks and you have more than one person. Here's little teas and coffees, sugar cream, and lids for the coffee cups. We just had coffee downstairs. There's free breakfast at this hotel. So here's a coffee maker and the cups. They came with some glasses. Here's the ice bucket. Down here is our microwave. Oh, I can throw that away. I'll take care of that. And a little fridge. Yeah, you can see we still have stuff to go through before we leave. But yeah, it's small, but it does the job. That's all you need, right? So here's another mirror. So yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the hotel. I do enjoy it staying at Hilton hotels, and the price wasn't too bad at all. So, and especially enjoy the free breakfast, the space. I traveled here with my niece for the first time, so she stayed out here on the pull-out bed. And like I said, I slept in the bedroom, and we had our privacy, you know, quiet time, and we were able to close the door so we don't wake each other up at night. No. I want to thank you for watching this episode of Jenny's Journey and coming along with me on this room tour. If you enjoy this type of content, or if this was any help at all, please leave a like, subscribe if you'd like as well, and leave me a comment or if there's any questions that I can answer for you. I'll see you next time.